So if you have been struggling to find a work from home job, doing this can earn you thousands. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now this video can really help you out if you are somebody who have been struggling to find that work from home job. You've been watching all these work from home job videos. You've been filling out applications, uploading resumes, and you haven't got called yet. You haven't got an email yet. Nobody offering your ass a job. I'm about to give you something that you can do to make some money while you're waiting for that work from home job to come through. Now listen, this will take some effort, but considering the fact that you're looking for a work from home job, I assume that you have no problem, doing some work. One of the cool things I'm about to share with you is this could actually turn into some serious money. What I'm about to share could actually turn into a full-time income. All right. But if you do this, it definitely can earn you a little bit of cash. Here's what you could do while you're waiting to get hired for that work from home job. And that is start your own work from home YouTube channel. I know you might be like, what the hell did you just say? Bro, wait a minute. Wait. Start a work from home job channel, and I need a damn work from home job. How the hell am I going to start a work from home jobs channel and I need a work from home job? Make it make sense. You can go about this in two different ways. Your channel can be about your work from home job journey, or you can be one of them people that, post about work from home job opportunities. And if you're watching this video, I am 130% sure that you've seen one of these types of videos. I don't know if you know this or not, but a lot of those YouTubers who talk about work from home jobs are making a lot of money from their channels. And in some cases, that's all they do, right? They making a full-time income just making videos about work from home jobs. Now I know this is true because one of my videos on my channel talking about a work from home job opportunity has made over $400. How are these work from home YouTubers making money? Well, it's simple. They're making money from them ads that play at the beginning, the middle, and sometimes at the end of their videos. So they have monetized YouTube channels and they're making money pretty much every time they upload a video talking about a work from home job opportunity. Now, I actually did a video a few days ago talking about the best websites for finding legit work from home job opportunities. I'll put that video in the description of this video so you can check it out. Now you can go to these websites or do your own research, and all you need to do is start creating videos talking about these opportunities. Now, if you know anything about getting monetized on YouTube, you would know that there are certain criteria that your channel has to meet before you can get monetized and start getting paid from ads on your videos. Now, YouTube always changing shit around, but right now you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and I think 4,000 watch hours. And then they do it where you can get monetized by shorts, like, posting shorts, but that's just so damn unrealistic. I wouldn't even worry about that. But right now you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now you watching this and you're like, dude, I'm feeling the idea, but how the hell long is it going to take me to get monetized, bro? I'm looking for a work from home job. I'm trying to get money ASAP. All right, I ain't got time to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? Well, I got you, all right? This is how you can literally start making money today or maybe tomorrow using YouTube. So as you're building your channel up and you're starting to get your subscribers and your watch hours, which, by the way, doing work from home job videos is a fast way to get watch hours. So it really shouldn't take you that long to get that 4,000 watch hours and actually even your 1,000 subscribers. It just really depends on, what kind of videos you're posting and how often. But here is something that you can do to start making money way before your channel gets monetized. And that is become an affiliate. Now, if you're not familiar with what an affiliate is, it's basically somebody who promotes somebody else's product or service, and for every sale they generate, they get a nice little commission, all right? So you don't want to just become an affiliate of any old thing, right? You want to become an affiliate of something that anybody who's watching your videos would be very, very interested in. And something that a lot of people will be interested in, and something that you probably heard of, is a company called Flex Jobs. Now, Flex Jobs is a online database where people go, they sign up, and they look for work from home job opportunities. And basically this site helps them find the right jobs for them. Now, Flex Jobs has been around for many years, and a lot of people actually heard of this company, but a lot of people don't realize that they have an affiliate program. All you need to do is become an affiliate of Flex Jobs, and every time you post a video, you need to put your affiliate link in the description of that video and let people know, somewhere in the video, hey, if you're looking for more work from home job opportunities, or if you want to check out this job opportunity that I'm talking about in this video, you need to check out flexjobs.com, link in the description. So to become a Flex Jobs affiliate, you do have to go through another company, which is called impact.com. Go to impact.com, you want to create an account, and then you want to apply to be a Flex Jobs affiliate. Now, if for whatever reason you can't become an affiliate, or you don't want to become an affiliate of Flex Jobs, you want to find things that people who are interested in work from home jobs would be interested in, right? So when they watch your video, they can, you can refer them to something else, all right? And if you do that, you can earn money very, very quickly, and that money can really add up. So while you're waiting for your channel to get monetized, you can already be making money. And then when your channel finally gets to the position where it is monetized and you start throwing them ads on there, you might mess around and already have a full-time income coming in before that company that you submitted for actually hires you. But I don't want to be no hater. Hopefully that work from home job will come through like right after you watch this video. But even if that job does come through, you still can use this strategy to make even more money. Like I said, you can create a YouTube channel based around work from home job opportunities, whether you can just do simple videos talking about your journey, basically talking about what jobs you applied for today, or past experience you had, basically, personal videos, right? Or you could take the approach of simply just introducing new opportunities that's available right now and point people to your affiliate link for whatever you are promoting. Now, like I said, there are a lot of work from home YouTubers who are making a part-time and even a full-time income. And you might just be the next one.